Welcome to Connectus Product Pro, the AI-powered product management platform that brings your entire product lifecycle into one unified workspace. Whether you're a solo product manager or leading a portfolio of products, Product Pro gives you the tools to plan, prioritize, execute, and validate, all in one place. Let's take a tour of everything Product Pro can do for you. When you open a product, you'll land in your personal workspace. This is your command center. Product Overview gives you a snapshot of your product, its vision, key metrics, and current status. The to-do list keeps your personal tasks organized. And Notes is your digital scratch pad for capturing ideas and meeting notes. The Overview section is your strategic command center. The Executive Dashboard presents high-level metrics at a glance. Feature completion rates, sprint velocity, and team capacity. Product Updates lets you document your product's evolution. Personas help you define who you're building for with AI-powered generation. And Customer Journeys on how users interact with your product across touchpoints. The Planning section is where your product vision becomes actionable. Features is your product backlog, where you add, prioritize, and track work. Dependencies visualize how features relate to each other. Storyboarding helps craft the narrative around features. The roadmap uses a flexible now, next, later format. The timeline gives you a Gantt chart with milestones. OKRs connect features to company goals. And impact mapping helps you work backwards from business goals. With limited resources, prioritization is everything. Product Pro gives you 4 powerful frameworks. RICE scoring calculates priority using reach, impact, confidence, and effort. WSJF factors in business value, time criticality, and risk reduction. Voting lets your team weigh in on which features matter most. And Planning Poker brings estimation to life with real-time collaborative sessions. Great plans mean nothing without execution. Releases let you group features into shippable packages with automatic release notes. Sprints organize your work into time-boxed iterations. The velocity chart shows how much your team delivers over time. And experiments help you validate ideas with A/B tests and beta launches before going all in. Quality can't be an afterthought. QA management lets you create test cases, organize them into test runs, and track pass-fail status. Tester management helps you coordinate with external testers through secure portal links and gather real user feedback before launch. Products are built by people. Team shows everyone working on the product with their roles and assignments. Stakeholders maps the people who influence your product and their engagement level. The risk register documents potential threats, assesses probability and impact, and tracks mitigation actions. Understanding your users goes beyond personas. The User Explorer segments your users and surfaces behavioral insights. Session recordings let you watch exactly how users navigate. The Feedback Portal collects and organizes customer feedback linked directly to features. And Competitor Analysis keeps tabs on the market with documented strengths, weaknesses, and feature gaps. Good documentation is the foundation of alignment. The PRD generator uses AI to create professional product requirement documents with user stories and acceptance criteria. The product checklist ensures nothing gets missed before launch. Business Model Canvas and Lean Canvas provide strategic frameworks to visualize your business model. Before you scale, you need to validate. Analytics integrations connect to tools like Mixpanel and Amplitude. Usage funnels visualize conversion flows. Validation scorecards track your product against launch criteria. Feature flags give you control over rollouts, and surveys collect direct feedback from users. Growth requires outreach. Promotion pages let you create branded landing pages for demo requests with customizable incentives. Demo scheduling manages your availability and bookings. And Demo Rewards tracks incentive programs and measures the ROI of your campaigns. The Insights section surfaces what matters most. North Star metrics define the key indicators of product success. Analytics provides in-depth reports on product health and team performance. And Public Roadmap lets you share your plans externally with a beautiful shareable page for customers and partners. That's Connectus Product Pro, a complete platform for modern product management. From early-stage ideation to post-launch validation, every tool you need is here. AI-powered, beautifully designed, built for teams that ship. Your products deserve it.